Ever found yourself lost in the maze of technical jargon? It's a common predicament, isn't it? The world of technology is a labyrinth of complex terms and acronyms that can leave even the most enthusiastic among us feeling a bit overwhelmed. You see, in this digital age, technology permeates every aspect of our lives, and with it comes the technical jargon. Terms like machine learning, blockchain, APIs, cloud computing, and so many others are tossed around freely, often leaving non-tech savvy individuals in a cloud of confusion. But here's the deal. Understanding these terms is crucial. It helps us grasp the intricacies of the digital world and fosters better communication. It's all about breaking down these complex terms into simple, understandable language. So, how do we navigate this maze? How do we make sense of these complex terms? Well, there's a solution to this conundrum: ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? This is a question on many minds. Let's unravel it together. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model, a brainchild of OpenAI. It's a clever piece of technology that's been trained on a diverse range of internet text. But what makes it truly special is its ability to understand and generate human-like text. Imagine having a conversation with a person, but in reality, it's an AI. It's like having a chat with the future. What's even more exciting is that ChatGPT doesn't just stop at casual conversations. It has a knack for understanding complex language patterns. And yes, that includes technical jargon that can often leave us scratching our heads. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for translating technical terms into everyday language that anyone can understand. Now, how do we use this remarkable tool to decode technical jargon? Stay tuned. Diving right into it, using ChatGPT is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's walk you through the process. Step 1. Accessing ChatGPT. This is a breeze. Simply navigate to the OpenAI website and click on the Products tab. From there, select ChatGPT. You'll be redirected to the ChatGPT page where you can start the magic. Step 2. Entering the technical jargon. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, you'll find a dialog box. This is where you input the technical jargon you'd like to understand. For instance, let's use an IT term, say blockchain. Type it into the dialog box and hit enter. Now here's where it gets exciting. ChatGPT will not only define blockchain for you, but also provide a simple, easy to understand explanation. It's like having your very own tech translator right at your fingertips. Step 3. Receiving the simplified translation. After you hit enter, ChatGPT goes to work. It uses its advanced AI algorithms to translate the technical jargon into a language you can understand. You'll see the result displayed right there on your screen. And voila! You've just translated blockchain into something as simple as a system for recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, cheat, or hack. Now remember, the beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. You can throw at it any technical term from the world of finance, medicine, engineering, you name it. And each time, ChatGPT will break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. So why not give it a whirl? Experiment with different technical terms. See how it turns complex jargon into simple language. The more you use it, the more you'll appreciate its power, and the more you'll learn. And just like that, you've translated technical jargon into understandable language. So, let's quickly recap the steps we've just covered. Our journey began with understanding the challenge of technical jargon, a language barrier that often alienates those not well versed in specific fields. Then, we introduced you to ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. This model, with its ability to generate human-like text, is a game-changer in breaking down the barriers of technical jargon. The actual process of using ChatGPT to translate technical jargon is refreshingly straightforward. First, we input the jargon-filled text into the ChatGPT interface. This can be a string of complex scientific terminology or a paragraph filled with IT lingo. ChatGPT can handle it all. Next, the ChatGPT model processes the input, using its deep learning algorithms to make sense of the technical language. It doesn't just translate, it clarifies, simplifies, and educates. It takes the complex and makes it comprehensible. Finally, the output is generated. This is a jargon-free version of the initial input, translated into everyday language that anyone can understand. It's not just about removing the jargon, it's about making the knowledge accessible and inclusive. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity and user-friendliness. The steps are easy to follow, the interface is intuitive, and the results are reliable. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Remember, it's as easy as input, process, and output. Now that you've learned how to use ChatGPT, the world of technical jargon is no longer a labyrinth. It's a language that's yours to command. As we navigate through the digital age, it's essential to grasp the language of technology. It helps us understand the world better and makes us more adept at handling technological tools. And what better way to do this than with the help of ChatGPT? You see, ChatGPT is not just a translator for technical jargon. It's a tool that empowers you to decode the language of technology, to understand its nuances, its idioms, its syntax. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who's always ready to explain the most complex concepts in the simplest terms. But beyond this, ChatGPT is a testament to the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. It is a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't merely assist us, it educates us. It bridges the gap between the complex world of technology and our everyday communication, making technology more accessible and comprehensible. So let's embrace this opportunity to enhance our understanding of technical terms. Let's leverage the power of ChatGPT to democratize knowledge and make technology an inclusive space for all. With ChatGPT, we can all speak the language of technology. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.